Welcome to our video on the top 10 best kitchen gadgets in 2025. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with the latest and most innovative tools, you're in the right place. We've rounded up the must-have gadgets that are transforming cooking and making meal prep easier than ever. Let's dive in and check out the future of kitchen tech. The Mighty Susan is a strong, steel-reinforced, rotating organizer designed to hold a variety of items like canned goods, spices, and office supplies. With its innovative two-tiered design, this versatile organizer maximizes storage space, offering easy access with a full 360-degree rotation. Made with clear material, it ensures everything is visible and avoids the frustration of forgotten items at the back. Whether used for pantry items or as a spice rack, the Mighty Susan also includes bonus bins for added convenience. The Ecolia vegetable chopper is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool designed to make meal prep easier and faster. With 13 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it allows you to chop, slice, julienne, and spiralize vegetables with precision. The chopper includes safety features like a non-slip base, a finger guard, and a protective glove for worry-free use. It also minimizes mess with a built-in lid that directs chopped food into a convenient catch tray, while the included accessories, like a peeler and cleaning tools, make cleanup effortless. Whether you're prepping for a salad or making homemade veggie spaghetti, this chopper offers a fun and efficient upgrade to your kitchen. The Mosfiata carving knife and fork set includes an 8-inch carving knife and a 7-inch fork, made from high-quality German stainless steel. The blades are resistant to rust, corrosion, and discoloration, making them long-lasting and durable. With a sharp edge designed for precision, this set is ideal for slicing meats, fruits, vegetables, and bread. The comfortable micarta handle ensures a secure grip, reducing wrist tension during use. This set is perfect for both home and restaurant kitchens and comes in a stylish gift box, making it an excellent present for anyone who loves cooking. The Cork Trivet 4-pack offers a practical and stylish solution to protect your surfaces from hot pots, pans, and plates. Made from high-density natural cork, these trivets are heat-resistant and durable for everyday use. The simple, natural color and rectangular shape make them easy to integrate into various decor styles, while the thick cork material ensures effective heat insulation. Ideal for use in the kitchen, dining room, or anywhere you need to protect countertops or tables, these cork mats are also perfect for DIY projects, allowing you to personalize them with your own designs. The Juali 6-pack glass food storage jars are made from high-quality borosilicate glass, offering durability and resistance to temperature changes. These jars feature a food-grade bamboo lid with a silicone seal that keeps your food fresh by protecting it from moisture, dust, and contaminants. The jars also come with a convenient bamboo spoon that attaches to the side, making it easy to access your stored items. Perfect for storing a variety of dry goods like coffee beans, nuts, spices, and snacks. These jars are not only functional but also stylish, adding an organized and clean touch to any kitchen. The Chef Sophie charcuterie cheese board and platter set is a beautifully crafted acacia wood board designed for entertaining and serving. This complete set includes 4 ceramic bowls and 4 stainless steel knives, perfect for organizing and slicing a variety of cheeses, meats, fruits, and crackers. The wide 13-inch diameter provides ample space for a variety of appetizers, while the elegant presentation adds a luxurious touch to any gathering. With its stylish design and practical features, this cheese board set is ideal for upscale parties, housewarmings, weddings, and other special occasions. The kitchen-in-the-box, cordless, rechargeable handheld mixer is a sleek and portable kitchen essential that offers convenience and versatility. With a wireless design, it weighs just 2.54 pounds, making it perfect for outdoor picnics or small kitchens. This mixer features a high-quality lithium-ion battery, offering over an hour of use on a full charge. The 6-speed settings with a digital display and knob control make it easy to mix, whip, or beat ingredients for a variety of recipes. It comes with durable stainless steel beaters and whisks, all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The Piazzano Crispy Crust Pizza Oven by Granite Stone brings pizzeria-quality pizza straight to your home. With its electric-powered design, this oven heats up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to bake pizzas with a crispy crust in under 6 minutes. The natural ceramic stone ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked pies, while the adjustable heat control gives you full temperature control. The oven also features a built-in thermometer for precise baking. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, it comes with 2 pizza peels and a stone scraper for easy pizza handling and cleaning. The Tokit Mini Rice Cooker offers a sleek, user-friendly design, making cooking easier and more convenient. With a touch button and display, it's perfect for anyone looking for simplicity in the kitchen. This multifunctional cooker includes 8 cooking functions such as rice, soup, congee, stew, and hot pot, making it ideal for small meals or family dishes. Its Keep Warm function ensures your rice stays warm, and the anti-burn dry technology adds a layer of safety by preventing overheating. The ceramic-coated non-stick pot is easy to clean, and its compact size is perfect for single servings or smaller households. The Ibix 3-tier spice rack organizer is a versatile and space-saving solution for kitchen storage. Crafted from durable natural bamboo, this expandable rack can be adjusted to fit various jar sizes. It's ideal for organizing spices, herbs, cans, and even non-food items like makeup accessories. With no assembly required, its smooth finish ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. Whether placed on a countertop, in a pantry, or inside a cabinet, this sleek organizer helps keep your space tidy and efficient.